Yeah, that's my cat, Sammy. Sammy likes to stay here, relaxing. See, he's sleeping all relaxed, totally listening to the noise of water. Here is my chair where I sit every evening, and then I turn around, and that's my view. So I feel good. I think it's so nice to have the pond here. So, like a dream, just like a dream. Hope you guys enjoy your life like this too. You have something to, like one animal that you love and something that you can say, I was in this world and I make a good time of my time here. Some people like to go boating. Some people like to kayak. Some people like to go to the beach. Some people like to dance. Enjoy your life. It's so good, so good. I'm so glad I can do that here.